What is going on, Adventure Nation? We've got some much needed rain coming down. You can barely even see the mountains behind us. It's awesome. But in this episode, we're gonna hang out on our property a little bit and check out how we take care of our shit. This is TME with Paul and Lorena. This here is what is called a Rotoplas Biodigester, and it's basically a septic tank, but this one's a specialty tank that actually biodigests the stuff before it comes out. Maybe I'll explain a little bit more once it's installed, but I've got to dig a hole for that. And as you can see, property's looking pretty good. Still got some piles back here to burn, so we're doing fires almost every night. But back here is where the biodigester is going to go, and the septic for the RV is going to come down that fence, and in here the house is going to be around in this area where I'm standing, so we'll be able to use it for that once the house is built. And this particular tank that's going to go in that corner is good for 10 people on a regular use basis, and obviously for peak usage it'll go more than that, but that's what we got so far. All right, we're now about 3 hours in, and hole is almost there. It's a big pile of dirt. I am kind of rough though. That's a lot of work. I'm gonna be burnt to a crisp, white boy. Probably another half hour, maybe an hour of digging, but I gotta take a break first to go grab some water.
I just wanted to show you something that we're doing. So as you can see, this is our garage for now. There's a fire pit where we're burning a lot of the stuff that they took down. And we're like little chairs there to have the fires at night. Here is where our Rotoplas is gonna go. And you can see anybody, but don't throw dirt. I'm here. Almost. Like, it's so deep.
It's just when you get to this point, it's hard to throw the dirt out because you have just enough room for the shovel to flip it up and out.
Not only that, you have a dog that probably is receiving all the dust and all the dirt.
Sorry, Tom and Faye. He's getting a little dirty helping me dig this hole. At least I'm below the rock level. Right about in here was the rock level where it was like taking out big chunks of rock and stuff. But I'm below that now, so it's pretty easy. I've got about, I don't know, 6 inches to a foot to go.
Yeah, so if I put the camera here like ground level, you can barely see Paul.
Yeah, and that's where it needs to be. 1.9 meters, so it needs to be like 2.1 meters, 2.2 meters, something like that.
Look at you, DIYer.
DIY, and I've had to switch to the metric system again.
Okay, I'll let you continue working. You're almost done though.
Almost done. It is quite windy today, so you're gonna have a hard time hearing me. Probably. But the hole for the septic tank is dug for the biodigester. The hole took me, I don't know, 4 hours or something like that to dig by hand. It wasn't that bad. What sucked is I took out too much, and then Lori and I had to put some back in. That's good to go. The thing that I have to put in the bottom of there before I do the biodigester is it's supposed to have a cement pad to sit on, just a small pad. So I made a 2x2 frame here, and I'm going to take this contraption here. I don't really need rebar in this, probably. I don't know. Again, the whole right way, wrong way, and A way. This is definitely the wrong way. But I'm going to take that and I'm going to sink it down in here and bury that down. And the little hooks that are on here, these little hooks, I don't know if you'll be able to see those. I can't see if that's on the camera right. They're going to stick out the bottom, and that'll give me something to hook a rope or a strap onto to lower this thing down into that hole, because it's going to be pretty heavy. 2x2 by 2x2 by 2. That's going to be, oh, that's going to be a lot more than I thought. It's going to be close. It's going to be good. Whatever it is, it's going to be good enough. I just need to know the cubic feet for measuring the amount of cement I'm going to do. That should be 1 bag of cement with some gravel, sand, and water. That's what that should work out to. And there's what my little slab mold looks like. Approximately 2x2. And I'll have those hooks hanging out the bottom so I can easily drop it into the hole. I'm sure by now all of you contractors, general contractors, cement guys, building construction people are cringing at this part of the video, but this is going to be close stuff, guys. It's not going to be probably completely up to code as you guys would have it, but it's going to work just fine. And let's see how this goes. I haven't done this stuff in about 40 years. That would be interesting. And I hope that it's enough. It should be close. Not even close. So I have to mix up a little bit more really quickly here.
Morning colors of sky. It's been a while, but I knew this day would.
This is going to be our pad that's in the bottom, and it's going to be the thing that
supports.
biodigester sits on top of. So we're going to drop that thing in the hole here in a second. Yeah. So you guys both hang
I would say Randy's already going for it.
And we're gonna.
These aren't actually long enough.
What's that?
I need more length.
You think you need more length?
Okay. The way Paul is sitting or standing is scary.
It makes,
Yeah, no kidding.
makes you nervous?
Not good.
No, it's got to open all the way up. You guys are still fairly even, right? Okay. So just
Okay,
Oh.
well, you're gonna end up in the hole.
yeah, I am gonna end up in the.
That's the whole thing. That's why I don't think it's a good situation, but oh, talking about the goats.
Stop worrying so much.
Here,
Just
hold my
record the
beer.
thing. Stop worrying so much.
Okay, I'm recording. I might start recording the goats when they come in.
You're gonna record the goats when they come in. Okay, ready? Okay, this is gonna.
Yep.
Okay, just gonna take the weight. All right.
Just 1 second here. Okay. We're
Yeah,
good.
you have the weight.
Good. Yeah.
Okay. Just slowly let it down in there.
Put it down there.
Whoa,
No.
whoa, right there. Okay. Bring it down, nice and slow. You guys worry too much.
Always do. But if I didn't worry.
I thought he was gonna go down the hole with the block. That's what it's like. Okay, that's not a good thing.
Okay.
I gotta jump on it a little bit more. That's not down on this side.
It's not down.
No. You're getting there though. Yeah, that's it. That looks good. It's not level, but
No. Where's the level? Let me see. This side. Yeah, it's level. It's good enough for government work.
Nice.
It's all to worry about.
yeah.
Now what we're gonna do is we gotta drop this bad boy in the hole, and we gotta make sure that that is level, and then we're good. So bring the straps back over. All right, now we have to put all this dirt back in the hole. Yeah, it's not gonna happen.
Oh my gosh, look at the time. We gotta go.
They just put the tank in.
Is
Oh, that's easy.
yeah.
And that's how it looks.
I'm gonna step on that rake and hit myself in the nuts.
Yeah.
I'm recording. Feel free to do it.
Feel free to hit myself in the nuts with a rake. Thanks, Lloyd.
Watch that stick, babe.
Supposed to do 1 part cement, 6 parts dirt, and then after a while it'll harden. So this is a lot of manual labor,
Just wanna know.
and these guys thought they
How's
were on
my hair?
vacation.
Is my hair okay?
It's good.
How's that vacation
You
in
look
Mexico
good.
going, Randy?
Awesome, yeah.
Awesome. We imported labor from Canada into
Way better
Mexico.
than cardio at the gym. I'll tell you.
That's right. It's just like cardio at the gym. This is, what do they call this? CrossFit. Yeah, this is the Sharon CrossFit Camp 2023. Who wants to join next year?
There's still a few openings.
Yeah, oddly enough, there's a bunch of openings for next year.
If you subscribe now, it's quite a bit. Now, how high do you want to come before you plummet? Like,
Well, that's what I'm saying. We're not going to come much higher because we're going to start. We want to plummet
And then some of that'll fill in.
And some of that'll fill in, yeah.
Because you got to dig out.
We've got to dig this out quite a bit.
Tomorrow.
Okay, here's the progress of the sewage. The guys dug the trench already, Tom and Paul, and they did all this. And it's the time. This is the first time we dump
There's a full
our
handle.
sewage. It's the little things in life, guys, that makes you happy now. Or that makes me happy. Hello, little Mac. So our sewage is already coming down to the actual, what's called the biodigester. That's gonna be our septic basically right there.
Tomorrow for sure.
I came up on the roof this morning to clean the solar panels, but this is the view from up top. And then out to the ocean. Not bad at all. All of the stuff that we're doing on the property, I'm kind of shooting from the hip. Learning from YouTube and just doing a little bit of research online. Most of this stuff I've never done before. I've done a little bit of cement work and things like that when I was a teenager on the farm, working with the farmers and stuff in the area, but never any really kind of firsthand knowledge of it. It was always like, do this, do that kind of thing. So I'm learning all of this stuff on the go. I know some of it is very cringeworthy, and some of you professionals are probably just shaking your heads right now and kind of trying not to throw up in your own mouth, but you know, it works. So thanks for watching. It would be great if you hung out with us a little bit, got to know us, and that means you should hit that subscribe button. It'd be equally as cool if you like this video, and we'll see you again in the next episode.